the framework agreement come. Yes, many foreigners, means like this Chinese and Pakistan, are whispering us up to the extent. They whisper us very much. But we want to live and we want to work with India together. That is why framework agreement is under processing, and we need this expedite solution. And it's why I come here and I really wonder that how they are organizing this such a crowd and such a nice organization. I really appreciate to the youths of the neighboring areas. I encourage them. I salute you on behalf of the Danghur, since I'm the Danghur president. Also, on behalf of the Nagas, I salute you. They're friends, boys and girls. So we need to expedite the framework agreement as early as possible. For example, if Uncle Muiwa goes away, if he dies, the enemies will come like anything from nook and corner, and there will be much bodies. So many leaders will coming up like